How to transfer Ton from Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. So first we have to open Binance. Now when you open Binance, you will be in your home screen. You just need to press your wallet, and from here make sure you have your toned coin balance. So in order to transfer Ton to your Tonkeeper wallet, you must have some amount of Ton coins on your Binance. All right, so make sure you have a minimum of 2 Ton coins because this is the requirement. So if you have 2 Ton coins, you can transfer it, and if you don't, then you need to increase to 2. So if you have the amount of Ton coin, just press the withdraw button and then press this withdraw. Now from the search, press Ton and then select this. Now as you can see, it says minimum 2, so that's the reason I said you need to have minimum 2 Ton coins on your Binance. So you can have hundreds, 200, just make sure you have minimum 2. So let's, for example, I have 50, just press the 50 and you will find the USD conversion. And as you can see here, we need to put the address, so where we want to transfer the Ton. So we need to get the address from our Tonkeeper wallet. So let's open Tonkeeper. So here you will find this receive option. Just have to press the receive option, and then we have to copy this address. All right, just copy the address. Then we have to open Binance again, and here we have to paste the address. So as you can see, the address is successfully pasted, and here in the memo you don't have to type anything. It's not required for your Tonkeeper wallet. However, when you press the withdraw button, there will be an warning message that will say you did not fill in memo, please confirm that so you will have a warning message. You just have to press the submit option. So after you press the submit option, just press the withdraw, and that's it. After some time, your amount will be withdrawn and successfully transferred to your Tonkeeper wallet. So after the transfer is successful, you will find the amounts here, so in this section of your Tonkeeper wallet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.